Do you have to face hassles while traveling to office or daily destinations? You must be looking for a dependable transport option near you. Texas Yellow Cabin Checker Taxi Service can help you to reach destination on time. It is a fully licensed and insured yellow taxi service provider in Hurst, TX. They are well known for offering 24/7 door-to-door transportation along with on-time pickup and drop facility. Their yellow taxis are cleaned and sanitized to offer safe and comfortable journey to the passengers. Their expert taxi drivers always maintain all kind of safety precautions. They have local knowledge that helps them to choose the best shortcut routes. And the best fact is that their taxi fare is affordable in comparison. So, stop thinking so much. Dial 817-676-3702 to book a ride, or simply send an email at contact@bigtexasgabs.com to share your travel needs. Now you can pre-book your taxi ride by browsing through https://bigtexasgabs.com/. Call /WhatsApp/Viber/Telegram at 817-676-3702.